up. That's it.
Good.
Me on mine already.
So we built a new gable end here, as you can see here, right there. But that's on the ridge, a new ridge. If you've been watching, you can see the old ridge was right here. See that, how it came down? But they want a new profile, so we made it taller, as you can see right there. That's the old ridge. That was the old roof right here. And then we took that off, and then we built this on top. Always got to keep the place clean. And then we come around the front. This is the new entrance area that we have here. This is going to get restuccoed. They started putting the windows in and everything like that. Nice concrete columns. Got the electrical already roughed in. So we got to tie these trusses down here to the knee wall. So we got some work to do there. As we go inside, got a lot of stuff going on. I think the plumbers doing their framing inside here. All this electrical work, kind of chaotic. So this is a complete gut. The window company is in here, putting in the frames for the windows. As we do this, you got to be careful when you walk on the track. So they got to protect these here. This bottom seal for the sliding glass door, because you don't want those to bend, because if they bend or anything like that, you're not going to be able to slide the glass door, sliding glass door. So that's important. And of course, you got the golf course over there. And then we're nailing off the roof. We'll get a better look. The pool eventually is gonna get redone. Second phase is coming back further. Where this fence here was right here at one point, about 15 feet in. So this is second phase. You got the little pond there, golf course there, and then this whole back was blown out. As you can see, the whole black came out like maybe 15 feet. And the guys up there closing off the roof. Try to get this dried in because I don't want it to rain. Rain and raw wood don't mix. So get this inspected on Friday. They come dry it in, and then we're good to go. Let's see what else we got going on over here. And I think and then come out here. That was the old ridge line right here.
What happened?
No, I'm just showing the old ridge.